I think he liked it because he could wind first all the way out and not be going too fast. Now when he winds it all the way out, he's fucking moving. He's gonna burn it out. He keeps that up, you know. Look how slow he's going. See me, I'd be. I probably wouldn't let it off it at all, being his age, you know. I think that's what I did when I first went for.
That's why your fucking brain dead did it. One time I told you something over at the one day some kid fucking around you right over.
Yeah. I remember.
Your fucking head.
Now he went over my leg.
My leg or something.
And then he stopped on it, and then when he seen you running after him, he took off. That's all I see is a big fucking knobby tire on my leg, and then he takes off. Yeah.
Gas! Do some gas! Go around your brother!
Stop!
Go around. Now he's standing up.
I meant to tell him if he feels it getting away from him, just jump the fuck off. I forgot to tell him that. You don't go down too far.
Go up. Go up. Go up.
Go this way. Maybe threw dirt at him. What are you doing, bad boy?
I'm gonna get rid of him.
Maybe, I don't know.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
You go in the truck?
You're alright, you're alright.
Yeah.
How long I bring the truck if you want to bring it back up there, it's on the ground already.
I'm impressed.
Come on! I'm going bye-bye. Yeah.
You stop throwing dirt at me.
Bye.
Yeah, the dirt. Hey, Papa's going in the truck. Stop. Go! You sit down. It's in the truck. Ed. You sit down.